What's going on, you guys? It's FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another video. And today we are doing an unboxing video. As you can see here with the GoPro here, we black with the medium mount. And today we're unboxing this Boeing 747-400 in the Goodbye 747 1971 to 2019 box on. So yeah, this is a pretty cool model. It was the final one I could find off a diecast model airplane store. I think that's the name of this. But I bought this back in like November. Didn't come till December, and I've had it here. And I took a 2-month break from YouTube, but I'm back. And yeah, aviation week could possibly be happening. There will be a video soon. This might count as day one, but if I can't get a single video out for a day, expect 7 uploads. Please just expect 7 uploads. It might take 2 weeks depending on where we're allowed to go. We've been traveling a lot and coronavirus is going on, so there's some places you can't go and there's some places you can't go. So if I'm at my uncle's house, I will be uploading every week. If I'm at my house, I will be filming videos, and then we'll probably go over to my uncle's house. But I'm going to try and get 2 airport updates, 3 unboxings. That puts us at 5 days. 1 triple unboxing, and to round that out, a first class trip report. So yeah, that would be MSP to LAS on a real simple A321 Delta Airways. So yeah, that's it. Let's dive right on into this video. Sorry I took 2 minutes to explain what's going on, but yeah, let's dive right on into this video with the box. Gemini jets, made for collectors by collectors. Our computer generated image. Boeing 747-400. Look inside. There it is. Oh yeah. I put it in sideways. It was just in the last airport update I did with Ed's Aviation 2. The sides and stuff. Yeah, I got the light mount on. As you can see, the GoPro. Yeah, but there's the back. Gemini jets. I like the new box style. Gemini jets did a really good job with this new box style. Yeah. 2019 Las Vegas and Gemini jets Las Vegas Nevada release. But if all goes well, Gemini jets should make like an April release, and that's like the Goodbye MD-90 from Delta and the Goodbye MD-80 from American. Well, the Goodbye MD-90, Goodbye MD-88, Goodbye MD-80, Goodbye MD-80 from American. Yeah, but that's what I'm hoping those releases will be. But there it is. Here's the model. Let's position the camera right here. So yeah, this is the model. Very good model. It's still oily. I've left it in my airport. My new one, which you'll see really soon. Oh, that's a paint defect. That's a paint defect. I never noticed that. Dang. I hope whoever I sell this to doesn't watch my videos. Dang, dude. It's a big one too. It's like right on the floor. other side's fine, but yeah, that stinks. Is it another? No, it's not a paint effect. Yeah, but this model is treating me well. It's going to be in 2 more airport updates before it goes into the retired collection. This could be coming up, but it's gonna be a huge video. It's gonna be all my planes mashed into one video, and it will be a huge airport update in my new airport. I do have the room to do it, but it's gonna be like really impractical and stuff. But yeah, I'm hoping to get that done. There it is. It'll most likely happen. It'll take a little while, but another collection video. It's been 2 years since our last collection video. Yeah, but I think that will be it for this video, guys. Yeah, let's just get a GoPro illuminated 747 before I sign off here. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned for another video. There could be another video coming out in like 5 or 10 minutes after this, or this one could be coming out 5 or 10 minutes after that aviation week announcement. I don't know what's going on, but expect 7 videos if aviation week does happen. And yeah, alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Stay safe, stay healthy. Don't get the coronavirus. Could possibly taking some trips soon with aviation too, because the fares are so low. But yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and this is Fun to Aviation signing off.